So hello YouTube, today's video is going to be on different topic. I have this Boya BY-M1 professional microphone. It's condenser microphone, basically most favorite microphone of YouTubers. So I was struggling to use this microphone with my FNDT 60X Tower speakers, which has dedicated dual microphone inputs, as you can see over here, as well as it has this wireless stock mic. But I was more curious to use this one because the performance of this should be better, I believe, from the beginning. This is the stock mic. This is just for the small karaoke functions, but if you are going to use it this system as a PA system, then you need this type of professional microphone or even better. This is not for the concerts or anything. This is a lavalier mic which you are this is collar mic actually, so you can use it as a collar mic, but for bigger functions I recommend to get the condenser mic like this one. This is stock mic. The problem with this mic is there are no functions to control the volume of this system. Okay, you cannot use these functions on this stock microphone. uh, so you will have to control the volume from here. You will have to digitally keep the volume on full, and then you will get some good performance. Now I will show you the difference why it was not working before. This is the TRS connector which came with the Boya BY-M1 microphone itself, and you can see there is only single line. There is difference in these connectors. This is I think TR connector, this is TRS connector, that you can see there are double lines. So these two connectors I had lying in my storeroom. I found them, so I thought of trying them with my microphone. I was not sure why it's not working. So now with both of these it's working fine. The shorter one has the less distortion, maybe because it has ground over here. This longer one has more distortion as there is no ground, metallic ground over here. So now I will give you the demo, how it works, how it sounds. I will be connecting it over here, and I will show you how it behaves when I turn on the mic volume, the mic echo, and there are two microphone inputs. Trust me guys, I've done this for the first time, but I never thought this system should be capable to handle the big crowd. But the performance with this microphone is mind blowing compared to the original this stock microphone. The performance is mind blowing. I'll show you the demo now. So now I will be testing this with the stock microphone. This is also very loud guys, very loud and crystal clear, but still this system has more potential to be even more loud. Hello. Hello. Mic check. Very good, very nice sound quality. Now I will connect these TRS adapters into both of the microphones. Now I am first trying with the microphone which doesn't have the ground. One thing you should remember guys, whenever you plug it in, keep your setting on camera. You should have battery inside your condenser and keep the setting on camera. This microphone will work only for powered microphones only. This won't work if I use it as a smartphone. Keep the setting on camera. Now I will turn it on. This microphone is off. Hello. Hello, mic check, mic check. You can see it's taking the echo, it's taking the beep because it's too loud. The sound is being repeated. Okay, that's why you are getting the echo and this beep noise. Hello, mic check, mic check. I can't even turn it on, guys. I can't even turn it on. This is so loud. Okay. I will have to go outside and then test it into the open environment. But right now it's raining, so I can't do that. Now I will insert this pin into the one which has the ground. Okay, this one which has the ground. So let's see which one sounds better. Hello, mic check. This is very very loud. This is not allowing me to cross even 25% of volume.
Hello, mic check, mic check.
So this was short video guys. You can use this system for your functions easily like a professional public address system. That is because this is FND T60X. You know the history of FND. They are pioneer in building loud systems. They don't focus much on sound quality, but they are best if you want the loudness. So that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will show you the performance of this mic. If you buy the professional microphones guide with the setup box which has the condenser microphones, that will be amazing for this pair. You can just plug in two microphones or here wireless, and you can use this as a third one also. Okay, that will make you your perfect public address system.
Hello, mic check, mic check.
The clarity of this one is better because this is not distorting, and I can't increase the volume of this microphone beyond certain limit, but this is also enough for a crowd of around 50 people. But if you want it to be loud, then buy the professional microphones or use something like this, which will work if you keep it far away from the speakers.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Live loud.